Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel with a new video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to set YouTube Premiere. So let's start the video. First of all, like the video, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. So now you know what is YouTube Premiere. Like if you are public your video and you want to schedule it in a time and you set up Premiere. Premiere means that your video will be set to Premiere and your audience will know that your video will be uploaded at that time and they will wait for your video. So this video is for you if you want to premiere your video. First of all, go to your YouTube channel and you have to select the video that you wanted to upload on your channel. Now I'm selecting. I will tell you step by step all the procedure that needs to be done here. So the next you have to select the video that you wanted to upload on your channel, and now I'm show you how you can set premiere. So first of all, you have to public your video and then set to the premiere after uploading the video, because premieres mean like you have to set a time when premiere people waits for your video and when your video publicly show them and they start watching. So this is the method how you can easily public your video with premiere. Now you have to do is to upload your video on your YouTube channel. After uploading your video, you can see on the screen I'm uploading a video. You have to upload a video, not a short video. This is sample, that's why I'm doing on a short video. So next you can see here on add details. Here you can see visibility public. You have to press on visibility because all the procedure is done by this step. You have to go to the public after setting your all the setting, title, description. Here you can see on a screen there are two options: public, unlisted, private, and schedule. We are not going to schedule your video, we are going to public and set as instant premiere. So you have to click on instant premiere and upload your video. So this is the method. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe the channel.